We are grounded stars in eternal motion. Our unity is a dance of two universes. Love is not possession, freedom, a gift in the soul, a question that forms worlds from mirages. Touch is a language that needs no translation. A look is a bridge between two solitudes. Silence is a space where the voice of collisions is felt. Distance is another dimension of closeness between rays. Ask for proof, love is an act of faith, not numbers. Don't feed fears because they start eating from the heart. Don't search among strangers because your path is unique. Don't be afraid of wounds, these are moments of the most sincere feelings. The laws of thermodynamics are not for love. It doesn't disappear but transforms. It bends space, although it has no mass. It changes everything but does not obey. Touch is a language that needs no translation. A look is a bridge between two solitudes. Silence is a space where the voice of collisions is felt. Distance is another dimension of closeness between rays. Love with open eyes and brightly notice the nuances. Look at the light and the shadow. Don't always look for the devil in the details. Step into the shadow. Stars are born in the depths. We will never be safe, but in uncertainty lies a miracle. The opportunity to choose one over another. This is not an instruction, not a collection of lectures. This is a card with the inscription: dragons live here but for